This animal that can regrow its own brain, never ages, and looks like it's always smiling? Meet the axolotl, a creature so bizarre, scientists are obsessed with it. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls never grow up. They stay in their juvenile form their entire lives. But their real superpower? Insane regeneration. They can regrow limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of their heart and brain perfectly, with no scars. Scientists believe studying them could unlock the secrets of human tissue regeneration. But here's the sad part. They're critically endangered in the wild. If we don't act fast, this real-life Pokémon could disappear forever. Would you want axolotl-like powers? Let me know in the comments.